A is for ambulance with lights flashing bright, racing down the road, helping day and night. B is for bus, big and yellow too, picking up the kids driving through the view. C is for car, it zooms on the street, small and so fast it can't be beat. D is for dump truck, hauling heavy loads, dropping rocks and dirt as it drives on roads. E is for excavator, with a long strong arm, digging in the dirt, working on the farm. F is for fire truck, with its loud siren sound, it's here to save the day, driving all around. G is for glider, soaring through the sky, flying without engines, quiet as it flies by. H is for helicopter, spinning blades so fast, it can't hover one spot or quickly zoom past. I is for ice cream truck, with music so sweet, bringing frozen treats for everyone to eat. J is for Jeep, on rugged trails it goes, through mountains and rivers where adventure flows. K is for kayak, gliding on the stream, paddling through waters, peaceful as a dream. L is for limo, long and so grand, riding in style, it's the best in the land. M is for motorcycle, with the roaring sound, zipping through traffic, wheels spinning round. M is for naval ship, sailing far and wide, protecting the oceans with sailors on board to guide. O is for oil tanker, carrying oil with care, traveling across the sea, delivering everywhere. P is for police car, keeping us safe each day, lights flashing, sirens loud, clearing the way. Q is for quad bike, zooming off the trail, riding over hills and rocks, it will never fail. R is for rocket, blasting to the stars, exploring outer space and landing on Mars. S is for submarine, diving deep below, exploring the ocean where only fish can go. T is for train, on tracks it speeds along, carrying goods and passengers with a whistle song. U is for U-wheel tackle, balanced on one wheel, riding takes practice and a lot of skill. V is for van, carrying loads with ease, a trusty helper for jobs as quick as a breeze. W is for wheelbarrow, helping in the yard, it carries heavy loads where only fish can go. X is for X-ray truck, with machines so smart, helping doctors see inside with a special chart. Y is for yacht, gliding through the bay, a fancy boat for sunny holiday play. Z is for Zeppelin, floating high in the sky, big and majestic as it gently flies by.